Are you suffering with a chronic health problem that is stealing your time? Have you been to different doctors, wasted your money, and still can't get answers? Are you tired of taking medications or other treatments that aren't getting to the cause? Are you afraid that this nightmare will never end? We understand how frustrating it is, and we want you to know that there is hope. This video may be the key to you getting well and finding freedom. We want you to get control of your health and life once again. Take some time now to really think through the information on this video. It may change your life. Accidents and injuries from your past can be related to your current symptoms. Head and neck injuries, especially, can have long-term consequences. Have you ever had a whiplash injury? Have you ever had a concussion? Have you ever been in a car accident? Have you been knocked unconscious? Have you had a sports injury that impacted your head or neck? Did you ever fall skiing or snowboarding where you landed on your head or neck? Have you ever been thrown from a horse? Were you a victim of physical abuse to your head or neck? Did you ever fall off a swing set and land on your head or neck as a kid? Were you told that you had a difficult birth with a C-section, vacuum extraction, forceps delivery, or other forceful procedure? Accidents and injuries to the head and neck allow the ligaments in the upper neck to be stretched or damaged, which allows the upper neck bones to shift out of their normal position, which can impact the way the brain and the body works. The brain is the master control system of the entire body, regulating everything from breathing to digestion, equilibrium, and much more. The upper neck, also known as the upper cervical spine, is more susceptible to misaligning than the rest of the spine because of the unique structure of the atlas vertebrae, the top bone in the spine. Much like how a twist in the first link can disrupt the entire chain, a misaligned atlas can disturb your whole spinal structure. If the atlas bone misaligns from its position directly underneath the head, the body attempts to balance itself by keeping your head directly over your feet. However, to maintain this balance, the rest of the body has to make compromises. This can result in additional stress to your body and change the way you stand and walk. The spine can be locked in this stress position for months, years, or even decades. This domino effect can lead to nerve compression, inflammation, nervous system disruptions, changes in blood and cerebrospinal fluid flow to and from the brain, and widespread discomfort and pain in different areas of the body. Upper neck misalignments have also been linked to numerous chronic health problems, including headaches, vertigo, neck and back pain, fibromyalgia, numbness and tingling, facial pain, tinnitus, migraines, sciatica, TMJ, trigeminal neuralgia, chronic fatigue, insomnia, Meniere's disease, ringing in the ears, and even nerve damage. If you have a history of head or neck injuries from car collisions, whiplash, concussions, sports injuries, or even childhood injuries, you must consult with an upper cervical specialist to get checked for atlas misalignment. The Upper Cervical Care approach focuses on correcting this undetected and underlying upper neck misalignment to restore proper function to the nervous system and reduce or eliminate health problems that you haven't been able to overcome. There are only about 3,000 upper cervical specialists in the world who are trained to correct these types of misalignments. This is why many people who suffer with chronic health conditions as a result of a misaligned upper neck go from doctor to doctor and can never find results. But thankfully, you have now found Upper Cervical Care. Upper neck misalignments will not get better on their own, and instead will frequently get worse with time. we have helped tens of thousands of people with chronic health problems finally get relief and results that last. We offer a unique, specific, precise, and special approach that you can't find anywhere else. This is why people come to see upper cervical specialists from hundreds of miles away. This is a precise approach that does not involve forceful manipulation. There is no twisting, cracking, or popping of the spine required with the upper cervical procedure. This is a long-lasting approach. The goal is to get your head and neck properly aligned once again so your body can begin to heal. Holding the correction is the key to healing, not being adjusted over and over again. Are you ready to explore this path of wellness with us? Consult with an upper cervical specialist to start your recovery journey today by going to uppercervicalawareness.com and clicking on the Find the Doctor button.